how to fix LinkedIn persona verification not working. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the persona verification error on LinkedIn where it says, "You've already submitted a request. Please try again later." So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. This is a common issue happening to many users right now. If you check Facebook groups or the LinkedIn subreddit, you'll see a lot of people facing the exact same error from persona during ID verification. So how do you fix it? The only working solution right now is to contact LinkedIn support directly. I've added the official support link in the description. Click on it and you'll land on the support page. Fill out your first name, last name, and the email linked to your LinkedIn account. For issue type, select account access and trust. In the subject line, write something like persona verification error. Then describe the issue briefly and make sure to attach a screenshot of the error you're receiving. You can add also a question in your question box, such as "My LinkedIn persona verification is not working, please make it right." Don't forget to check the "I'm not a robot" box and then hit submit. You can also reach out to them on X, formerly Twitter, by messaging at LinkedIn Help for faster assistance. That's all for the video. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tech fixes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.